The 21 Eyes RGB Disco Lights are designed to transform any party with their unique triple-mode lighting system, combining pattern, strobe, and party lights for an unforgettable experience. Equipped with high-brightness LED bulbs, these disco lights project vibrant red, green, blue, and purple beams that synchronize with music for a professional-grade light show. This product offers 5 professional control modes, including DMX 512, allowing users to precisely adjust settings to create the perfect stage lighting. The sturdy aluminum alloy housing and cooling fan ensure durability and efficient heat dissipation, extending the lifespan of the lights. With flexible installation options, these lights can be mounted on trusses, ceilings, or placed on the floor, making them versatile for any event space. Perfect for a variety of events, from weddings to festivals, these lights come with a lifetime warranty and reliable customer support for peace of mind.